आकाशवाणी इम्फाल R.K.Gorani na pau pajari. Sampurnata Avian Saman Samaro Imphal Raj Babanangasi Pangtokre, Thormaduda, Athobe Mitung Oriduna Rajapal, Ajay Kumar Bhala na Hai, Niti Ayona Kangatpa, Aspirational District Manunda, Manipur Sandel Masurasanpur Jilla Yorokpa, Shina, Lamdam Asi, Sakot Lambida Mangjil Tana, Chansilak Habadu Takle, Ekoi Punchinduna Tabak Dominarabadi, Manu Hanjina Lay Pumsing the Su, Tak Manan Sakot Minamangam with Haida Rajapalna, Makata Ki, Magna Hai.
The combined success of Chandel and Chorachandpur under this Abhiyan is a source of pride for all of us. But more importantly, it's a beacon of hope. It tells us that development need not be a slow, uneven process. It can be accelerated, it can be inclusive, and it can touch the lives of most marginalized. What I'm trying to say is we need to learn lessons from what has been done. One district, 3 blocks is just an example. We perhaps need to carry it forward in all the places and all the districts.
Thoromasi Raizagi Planning Department Sinuna Pangtokpani, Masida Chada Chama, Mathontina Pangtoba Sarkar officers sing Amadi, frontline workers Mupuning Tawet Ki. Kumsi Saigo in a Thoromasi Niti Ayoki, Aspirational District sing Amazon blocking the Miam the Sakti Biba, Sakotrangi Tabakta Miam Punisaruk Yaba Masung entrepreneur singbo, Makong de Gehona, Semgat Pegakalon Tonganba, Tarunka Pangtokpani. Niti ayona khangat pa aspirational district sing manungda Manipur gi oina Chandel jilla yauri aduga block sing manungda Churachandpur jilla gi Lamka South amasung Tuibong aduga Chandel jilla gi Chakpikarong yauri. NIT Manipur gi tara nithu suba convocation ngasi pangthokre Tharumaduda Rajapal Ajay Kumar Bhala na athobe mithung oina saruk yakhi. Imphal gi City Convention Center da pangthokpa tharamda Rajapal na hai haujiki naha singna leibak asigi tungi yumbi oigedoribani. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi gi English ngani nepotret phawbada leibak asibo Viksit Bharat ohenebagi manglan adu ngasigi naha singna mangphawna hangadoribani maram aduna pandam masi phangnaba masung leibak asibo manglomda changsil hanabagi damak haujiki matam asida naha singna kanna honabagi tangai phadaba adu leire Rajapal makhata na hai ekhoina degree khakpai bagi mahutta ekhoina tamnuribasing adu sijinaduna miyam da madugi kanabasu phangansi Rajasi Bagachandra and the Shaping of Manipur's Cultural Horizon Hibes than Minin Chathagadaba, Malem Taki Mipama Mangashi Manipur University gi court holder Hokre, Thermoda Wangang Bada, Manipur University by Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra Nahai, Rajasi Bagachandra Si Manipurgi, Kala Sanskriti, Performing Arts Sound Lamdam Asibu, Sakot and Nabada Yamna Kana Honoramba, Misakni. Mipamasi Rajasi Bagachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur India. College Development Council Manipur University amasung Department of Sankirtan Manipur University of Culture na sinba thauramdi duda Rajasri Bagachandra Culture Foundation Manipur President R.K. Jitendrajit Singh amasung Karwaya RSS Assam Khetra Khorapam Rajen Singh saruk yakhi Security Force ki apunba kangbuna kamjong area te thiba humbagi thabak chathabada aina thingkrabla holop PLA gi new ema fare mangondagi magazine marika konana A4 rifle ama magazine ani yauba SK rifle ama magazine mangaga konana AK rifle ani magazine ahunga konana insas rifle ama lethot cell ahum amasung nungmi maru kaya marum phangki Thobal College ke Chemistry and Environmental Science Bibang na Chindunangasi College asigi multipurpose hall da Malem ki ozone mit pangthokre thormasida college ke principal professor Ena Bachandra Singh na athobe mithung oikhi thormasike saruk ama oina poster campaign amasu pangthoktuna makok muthung taraba singda mana mathumsu yen thokhi Swasta Nari Sasak Paribar Avian ki saruk ama oina National Health Mission Manipur na sinduna ngasi tongan ba jila tarani thoida health checkup Kem Yakai Mari Pangthokli Rashtrapati Draupadi Murmu ngasi New Delhi da pangthokpa Humari Suba National Exhibition of Arts hokdokre Thormuda Wangang laduna Rashtrapati Nahai Leibak Asna Sel Thungi Lamda Mangjil Tharakpa Asi Mathakta Kala Sanskriti gi Lamda su makok thongba Lamdam ama oina akoi pun hona minasi Arts Exhibition asi Lalit Kala Academy na shinbani Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin gi makhad leibak asida yum koti aniga lak marpuni toy sakre sarkar gi cherol man high scheme asigi makhad kungang imung singda sakhum amadi toilet down na pakagi yum sabagi khodong saba piri pauloi jare